All right, this is the second hint video for this level 4 problem. If you haven't watched the first hint video, I recommend doing that first. But if you're still stuck after trying it after the first hint video, then this will hopefully give you a little bit more guidance on how to solve this problem. So now we are at the part where we have set up and we can do our elimination method. Now when we do this, my ax and negative ax, they cancel. And here I would get a squared y over b plus by is equal to 0 plus 5 is 5. So I've basically added these two together. Now the first thing I want to do is notice that this by has a denominator of 1. But I have a b here and a 1 there. I want a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself a little bit of space here actually. Make this equal to 5. Give me some space. I'm going to put it over here. And this is over 1. And what I can do is that old trick where I multiply b over b. And I'm doing this so that my denominators both have b's in it. And when I do that, I get a squared y over b plus b squared y over b is equal to 5. Now I'm trying to isolate my y's. And what I can do is do what I call an inverse distributive property, where it's what we call is factoring out. And what I'm going to do is I'm pulling my y's. Since that y is in both terms, I can pull that y outside. And then I create a parentheses, and what's left over on the inside is a squared over b plus b squared over b is equal to 5, like this. And I can actually consolidate this down as to y times a squared plus b squared, and just like, because it's a fraction, all over b is equal to 5. Now my final step is I want to isolate the y. And so just like if I had like 2/3 and I wanted to get rid of it, I would multiply by the reciprocal, 3/2, and that would give me 6 over 6, which is 1. Same idea here with variables. In this case, I have a squared plus b squared over b, so I'm just going to multiply by, and I'll do it in a different color. I'll go back to green. B over a squared plus b squared. And when I multiply it here, I would also multiply it here. B over a squared plus b squared. So let's take the left side. This is just going to cancel. The b's cancel. A squared plus b squared cancels with a squared plus b squared. And I'm left entirely with y on the left. Now on the right, one thing to remember is this is 5 over 1. So I would do 5 times b, and that's my numerator, 5, over 1 times a squared plus b squared, which is just a squared plus b squared. And so now I've actually given you the y. You can then use this y to plug it back in and see if you can solve the x